finishing? I helped. No,
Yay!
that one. I want to do. I win the game. When you do like that thing. Don't you bang. I don't tell you to bang. It's my turn. I should get it first, Mommy. Ready? Yeah.
Woo!
One more time and then it's my turn. Oh, the baby's turn. Oh, the gutter. Can you help me? Cole, can you help me? I got it. Don't knock it. No knocking balls down. She knocked it the first time, but I told her to knock two. Ready? Yeah. I get it super fast. Now it's my turn. I bring the stroller. Dalton. Now it's my turn. I'm gonna pick it. You may help you get it up. Here you go. I'm holding her. No, that way. That way. Here, I got it. Now it's my turn now. There. Put it on there. Okay. You can put it on there. Put it on there. I'm try it 3 times. No, 2 times. 2 times.